Welcome, welcome, my friends. Always a pleasure to talk project management and share some ideas. There's a misnomer that AI is going to replace the project manager, but nothing is further from the truth. There's a lot of things the PM still needs to do, and today I am going to cover 12 things AI cannot do, a real PM must do. Number one, AI can assist, right? But it cannot lead in a lot of ways. A PM has to lead. The great John Maxwell, my mentor and coach in leadership, said everything rises and falls on leadership. And the PM owns the people part, the outcomes part, and the impact part. You cannot say AI failed. It wasn't me. AI caused the project to fail. No, no, no. So let's tackle them one by one. Number one, human driven contingent planning and prioritization. What do I mean by that? For those of you that have been in the world of project management long enough, you know that projects often consist of a web of possibilities and people. While AI can help with vanilla flavored scheduling or where you can input tons of data to predict the outcome, when it comes to people, they are the variable. They are the X factor that is not the usual. So an AI can create plans, but a PM decides what matters most right now. 2 seconds after the stakeholder pulls the plug or powers up on you in a way you didn't expect. You see, AI cannot manage that kind of planning and prioritization. Number two is awareness. Political awareness? Are you kidding me? The landscape? Yes, if you have the data to feed it ahead of time, AI can be a smart aleck. It sees data. But where there is no data, a PM must read the room, the people, the unspoken dynamics. Number three is the belly button accountability. Back in the days of Agile, in the early days of Scrum, Ken Schwaber would say the single ringable neck. Now, don't get bent out of shape. It's just a joke. But what that means is belly button accountability. That does not go away with AI. When things go wrong, AI explains, but a PM owns. There's one name on the line. Number four is governance. AI can suggest governance, but a PM enforces it. And a PM has to escalate it and protect the project. That AI cannot do. Can you imagine AI ringing you up? Phil, you overstepped your bounds. Return to the conference room. Are you kidding? AI cannot do that. AI cannot do that. Oh dear. AI cannot do that, but a human can. I really appreciate those of you who have joined so far. We've just gone to point number 4 and we're just getting started. I have 8 more points regarding what AI can do and what it can't. And I'm curious to know from those of you on the call right now, what is the one thing in your mind that you feel AI cannot do? Because I know you folks are smart, because I've been hearing from some unlearned individuals that think the PM can be replaced. But those of you who are smart, nah, that's not right. That's not right. Nope. AI cannot replace me, right? You know that. So, with that in mind, let's continue the journey. If you want to chat in, go ahead and chat in the chat box because I know a lot of you've been hearing the fear mongering. AI is going to take your job. No, it's not. It will take the job of someone who knows about AI to get your job. So if someone is a PM just like you and they know how to leverage AI, yeah, maybe they can take your job to do the menial stuff with AI, but the real human stuff, they will never be able to take that away from you. Trust me. Trust me. I've mentored and trained thousands of PMs, and those that know their weight in gold, they're telling me, Phil, AI couldn't even begin to do what I do in a day. Are you kidding me? AI cannot be in front of a mad client and calm tempers. AI wouldn't even know where to begin. It wouldn't even have a chance. So I want to encourage those of you who are looking at PMP and CAPM and you're wondering, is this a good path to go down? Of course it's a good path to go down if you are able to bring the right parts to the job. Okay? All right, I see some of our friends here. AI AI can't divorce me and take my 3 kids away. That is hilarious. That is hilarious. Okay, well, I appreciate you folks chatting in. Jace Henderson, thank you for chatting in. Squeeze until clicks. That is hilarious. Well, I appreciate you folks chatting in. But a lot of us who watch this channel, we are project managers and we're very passionate about what we do. And there's a lot of concern. There's been a lot of concern about the world of AI and how AI can take your job. Well, I'm here to remind you, AI is not going to take your job if you remember these additional things. Number 5, communication with clients. AI can draft messages, but a PM listens, adapts, persuades, and handles tension in real time. Number 6, relationships, the most difficult part of communicating, the most difficult part of business. And that's why John Maxwell, in his book, How to Be a Real Success, the first letter in real is relationships, R for relationships. Are you kidding me? AI can't develop relationships with humans. AI has no memory of trust. AI cannot take the job of the PM building relationships. You kidding me? Number 7, navigating silos. AI sees systems, but a PM navigates people, politics, territory, and hidden blockers. Number 8 is human sensitive communications. AI can wordsmith. Claude is very, very good at that. You folks know that. But a PM delivers the right message the right way at the right time. Number 9, attending critical client calls. AI cannot show up. I don't care how much work Elon does on his robots. No client in their right mind is going to accept a Tesla robot in a conference call and say, what did Elon tell you to tell us? Are you kidding me? That's not going to happen. AI cannot show up and read the room and pivot strategy in real time. At least not now, but a PM does. Number 10, ensure the team is optimized, ensure everyone is operating at the highest levels of efficiency. So AI can assign tasks, right? But a PM builds a balanced, motivated, high performing team. What about human led authenticity? AI can simulate tone. 11 Labs have become very good at cloning your voice. I don't know if you folks have any of you tried out 11 Labs cloning your voice? It sounds quite convincing, doesn't it? But when it comes to earning trust, yeah, 11 Labs can't do that for you. And finally, my friends, tonight, honesty, as they say, is the best policy. And this one, yeah, AI gives acceptable answers. He always tries to butter you up. Have you used ChatGPT recently? Always trying to sound positive, but hardly ever telling you brutal, honest truth, except you go an extra step and say, tell me the brutal, honest truth. But a PM will tell you the truth, even when it's uncomfortable. Hopefully. All right, my friends, I appreciate you joining me today. That is the end of the 12 things a human PM must do. If you've enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in another episode very soon. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think AI can do and what it cannot do, what you think a human PM must do. And I appreciate the humor. I saw a lot of humor come through. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right. Well, you folks take care. I wish you all the best in your journey in project management. And if anyone tells you, hey, I was going to take your job, say, nope, Phil told me that's not the case. Bye for now.